Hey everybody, I have three bright students sitting before my eyes: Siddhi, Anushka, and Shourya. Hi Siddhi.
Hi.
Hi Anushka. Hello Shourya. Okay, so these three are here to answer some questions related to our daily routine. So my first question is, it goes to Siddhi, sorry. It goes to Siddhi. Siddhi, what time do you get up early in the morning?
I get up at around 6 a.m.
Okay, very good. What about you, Anushka?
I get up at around 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Very good. What about you, Shourya?
I am a late riser. I get up at around 7:30 a.m.
Very good. So, this is the time when you get up. Since it is summer break going on, no? So, time varies. When you have your regular schools, you all are getting up very early in the morning, right or wrong?
Right.
Right, okay. Very nice to know about your waking up time. Now, what will be your first task after getting up? What do you do?
I get fresh, brush my teeth, and take a bath.
What about you, Anushka?
I get fresh, change my night dress, and clean my room.
Okay, you clean your room. And what about you, Shourya?
I brush my teeth and help my mother in her kitchen work.
So we got to know that you have your wake up time fixed and you have a lot of things to do after waking up, like cleaning your room, changing your night dress, helping mother in the kitchen work. Now tell me, what do you do after that? Siddhi, what is your next task?
I prefer reading a storybook.
Very good. You prefer reading a storybook. What about you, Anushka?
I sit for studies.
And you, Shaurya?
I watch TV.
Now tell me, what time do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast at around 10:30 a.m.
What about you, Anushka?
I also take breakfast by 10:30 a.m.
And you, Shaurya? Same. Okay. So you prefer taking breakfast by 10:30 a.m. Okay. Now tell me, when do you take bath?
As I said, I take my bath early in the morning just after waking up.
What about you, Anushka?
I take bath after my breakfast. I also take bath after breakfast.
Okay. Nice to know the details you have given so far. Now, can you please tell me what time do you take your lunch?
I take lunch at around 1:30 p.m.
What about you, Anushka?
I take lunch between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m.
1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And Shaurya?
Same here.
That means you take lunch with Anushka.
Yes.
Okay. So be ready for another question. That is, what do you do after taking lunch?
I take rest for half an hour and then I watch TV.
Okay. What about you, Anushka?
I watch TV and then play outdoor games.
Outdoor games. And you, Shaurya?
I sit for study.
You sit for studies. Okay. Thank you.